Good morning, students. Hope all of you are safe. Beta, till now we have completed chapter 1 and 2 of geography, and today we will start chapter 4 of geography, and name of the chapter is climate. Beta, when we talk about climate, then the first thing that what do we mean by this? Beta, climate is the sum total of variations over a long period and over a large area. Then one more term is associated with climate, that is weather. Beta, weather is the condition over a point of time. Like we talk about that today temperature will be minimum temperature will be 28 degrees Celsius and highest temperature will be 40 degrees Celsius. Then this is the weather condition. It is at the point of time. And even sometimes weather conditions they change within a day also. Even you experiences this just a few days back also. In morning there was 40-degree temperature and in evening you felt the hails also and storm type weather conditions also. So sometimes weather condition change over a very short duration. Means within a day also weather conditions can change. But when we talk about climate didn't change like this. Like first of all, we are talking about the climate of India. बेटा जो इंडिया का the climate of India is of monsoon type. Now, from where this word monsoon came? Because this monsoon is an Arabic word, and it generally means mausim. And monsoon means the reversal of winds in a particular time. So that type of climate is called monsoon type climate, and in India we experiences this. Now these days like everybody in North India is waiting for monsoon, right? So this was about the differentiation of climate and weather. Now, if we are talking about our country, in our country also we experiences various variation in temperature, because the temperature as well as precipitation it change from place to place. Like first of all we talk about Rajasthan. But in Rajasthan maximum temperature can touch 50 degree. Okay, and at the same night it can come down to 15 degrees Celsius also. But we if we talk about Jammu and Kashmir, then their maximum temperature will be 20 degrees Celsius, and in winters it can go down minus 45 also. So within the country we can see a large variation between the temperatures. And the same thing is with the precipitation also, beta. Precipitation can be in the form of rain also, in the form of snowfall also. If the altitude is high, means in the mountain area that experiences snowfall, and the plain area it gets precipitation in the form of rain. And even how the amount of precipitation vary. Like in Meghalaya is known as the wettest place on the earth, Mawsynram. You must have heard about this place. This is the wettest place on the earth. Means this area gets the maximum rain on the earth. And if we compare it with Western Rajasthan or we compare it with Ladakh, these area experiences or they get less than 10 centimeter of rain. So this way there are so many factors that influence the climate of a particular area. So in this chapter we will read about all those factors. And few notes are there. Let us discuss from these notes. Climate. Beta, climate is sum total of weather conditions and variations over a large area for a long period of time. Like I told you, and like अभी मैंने बात की, I talk about the climate. The India's climate is monsoon time, right? So weather. The next topic is weather. The state of the atmosphere over an area at any point of time. Like today's temperature. What will be the weather condition of today? Now, what are the elements of climate and weather? Beta, elements of climate and weather are temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity and precipitation. And even weather conditions fluctuate within a day, like I have given you example that in morning there can be high temperature of 40 degree, and evening you can experience a rain and a very pleasant weather also. And now the next is the climate of India is monsoon type, right? Now how temperature and precipitation vary. These example also I just discussed that in Rajasthan temperature can touch 50 degrees Celsius. Then in Jammu and Kashmir 20 degrees Celsius. Dras is also in Jammu Kashmir. Here it can go down to minus 45 degrees. Thiruvananthapuram, it is the capital of Kerala. Here temperature remains 22 degrees almost in every season. Now, so temperature and precipitation, beta, these are the two main factors that influence the climate of any area. So the next is precipitation. It also varies over 400 centimeter in Meghalaya to less than 10 centimeter in Ladakh and western Rajasthan. Now this was the amount of precipitation. Now the timing of precipitation, in which month, which particular area get the rain. But in most parts of India, they get rain in from June to September. But in Tamil Nadu, these areas get rain in October and November. Now, the other topic is about climate control. That how the climatic conditions are controlled, or what are the factors behind this. That which all factors control the climate of any particular area, beta. First thing is latitude. As you are well aware, beta, latitude from the middle of India, the Tropic of Cancer pass through, and it beginning from the Rajasthan till Mizoram, means from west to east. It divides the India into equal parts, right? And wherever this Tropic of Cancer is crossing, beta, that area experiences, below that area, that experiences the tropical type climate, and even above that means if we come from Tropic of Cancer towards north, that area experiences subtropical climate, right? Now the second is altitude. Altitude is the average height from the sea level. Now what if the height will increase, automatically the temperature will be low. As we go to any mountain area, mountainous area, their temperature remains low, right? The next is pressure and wind. So pressure and wind also affect the climate of any particular area. Like we talk about coastal areas. In coastal area, due to this pressure and wind, the temperature remains same approx all over the year. There is hardly any difference throughout the year. Then the next one is distance from sea. But a distance from sea also influence the climate and weather conditions. How? Because whatever area is near to sea, that area experiences a moderate temperature. And as we go far from the sea area, coastal area, those area experiences either high temperature or very low temperature. Now, and the fifth one is relief. As I told you, that relief feature also influence the climate. Like mountain area, they will experience very low temperature this way, and coastal region they experience moderate temperature. If we come to Rajasthan, that western Rajasthan, it experiences very high temperature up to 50 degrees Celsius. So these way, all these points, these control the climate of any particular area. So this was the topic for today. Hope all of you have understood the topic. Thank you and have a nice day.